Hey there, Christian from RackNerd. Today I am going to guide you through installing Rsync on Almalinux. If you are not familiar with Rsync, it is a super powerful tool for synchronizing files between systems. It is particularly useful for website owners, ensuring their data is always backed up and secure. Rsync's speed and efficiency make it a must-have for any webmaster out there. Before we dive into the installation, I want to remind you to check out our recent video on how to order a VPS with RackNerd. This tutorial assumes you already have a VPS with Almalinux set up. If you haven't done that yet, head over to RackNerd.com for our top-notch reliable hosting solutions. Now, let me go ahead and share my screen and let's get started with the installation. Alright, first things first, let's update our system. Keeping our system updated is a crucial step for security and performance. So let's open up the command terminal and run this command. This command will ensure all of our packages are up to date. Once our system is updated, we are ready to install Rsync. So just run the following command. This will download and install Rsync along with any necessary dependencies. After the installation is complete, we should verify it to ensure everything is set up correctly. To do that, just run this command. You should see the version information of Rsync confirming that it is installed. Now that Rsync is installed, let's go over some basic usage. So I'm going to print up some basic usage with commands that you can use with Rsync. But for the sake of saving time, I will show an actual demo of these later in another video. It should be pretty self-explanatory, but do note this guide assumes that you already have a secondary, local, or remote server to sync between using Rsync. Once again, if you ever need a secondary server, you can get a cheap VPS with us at RackNerd for about $1 a month. Alright, once you have two servers to work on, let's go ahead and get started with the basic usage of Rsync guide. Now, here's how to synchronize a directory from your local machine to a remote server. Just use this command with this format. A, archive mode, which preserves permissions, symlinks, and other data. V, verbose, which gives a detailed output of the transfer process. Z, compresses the data during transfer, saving bandwidth. Now, if we need to synchronize files from a remote server to your local machine, use this command with this format. It's basically just interchanging the local path and remote path. Moving forward, sometimes we might want to exclude certain files or directories from being synchronized. You can do this with the -- exclude command feature. To do this, use this command with this format. Now, to automate our Rsync tasks, we can schedule them using cron jobs. We need to edit our cron job file with this command. Then add your Rsync command to schedule your tasks. For example, to run Rsync tasks every day at 2 a.m., use this command. And that's basically it. With that said, you are now ready to run Rsync on your server and make use of its powerful features. And there you have it. With Rsync, we can ensure our website's files are ready to go, up to date, and safely backed up. So if you need more relevant guides or reliable hosting solutions, make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit RackNerd.com. We've got you covered. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.